Just wanted to do a little trading video of something that I've spotted in the price of crude oil. Crude oil is a commodity that's traded um, Monday to Friday. Uh, it moves quite a lot, as you can see on this chart, a lot of ups and downs. I've put a weekly chart up here because it's a little bit better to see. It removes a lot of the noise out of the chart that happens throughout the day. Um, I mean, it's quite simple when you look at this. We've gone in one direction down to just below $30 a barrel, which is like record lows from the last 15 years. We bounced back up to just above $50, which is these sort of highs up here that we've seen towards the end of last year. And then we've been going back down again. But on Wednesday, we sort of hit what could be the bottom because I just moved me over there. You can see this sort of like these boxes that I've drawn are like V-shaped patterns that usually form, or they do form, at the bottom of a downtrend. When the downtrend ends, obviously it hits the bottom, hangs around there for a bit, and then goes back up again. And that's what's happened on these occasions. Now, we sort of did, it happened there initially, obviously that was a fake, and we sold off again. But it's happened again for the first time in quite a while this week on the Wednesday. And this is quite a positive sign that we're going back up again in price. It's a bullish reversal candle, quite a powerful signal. This is a weekly chart again, so you can just see a bit clearer. You can see we almost had 2 months of selling before we hit this candle here this week. We've had our first positive week in 2 months. That sort of, to me, tells me that we're changing direction again for next week and we're going back up. You sort of see Wednesday, Thursday, and sort of Friday, although not really that much higher. The bias is up every time we sort of sold off. Buyers came in and we pushed the price back up again. So my idea for next week is to buy the price of oil when we get any sort of pullback, really. Going to get in long and take us back up, hopefully, to these highs that we saw in the middle of July. Maybe $47 next week, maybe not as much, or maybe higher. But that's the sort of idea for next week. Just wanted to make a quick little video reference for myself, really.